Hello guys, and welcome back to the Doc Mac Car channel, and today I'm back with my new purchase for the channel, a Mercedes Benz E350 2006. Now this is known as the W211 model. It's got the M272 engine with the 722.97 G-tronic transmission, which is a 7-speed auto. Now I purchased this car for an insanely cheap price of only 3,100 New Zealand dollars. Now this vehicle went on auction and I was the last and final bidder. However, there is a story to this one. I was looking either for a Mercedes Benz E300 or E350, and then I saw this vehicle for sale the last 42 minutes of the auction, so I couldn't see the car in person. So this vehicle ranges for around 6,000 to 8,000 New Zealand dollars, but I won the bid at 3,081 New Zealand dollars. Now this one equates to approximately 1,500 pounds or 1,800 US dollars, give or take. So basically I think that is an absolute steal of a deal. However, I do know that these engines do suffer from a particular issue which is very expensive to fix. Now I'll get into that on the next video of this vehicle. Now I'm going to go around the vehicle, show you what mileage is done and what overall condition it is, but please subscribe if you haven't already. I would really appreciate if you subscribe and turn on your post notification bell as well. Alright guys, so I'm now in handheld mode. So as you can see, this is the overall condition of the vehicle. It's not too bad. This side, the headlight is slightly foggy. That can be polished out perfectly fine. And on this side, the vehicle looks quite nice. I'd say that this side, the headlights are newer. I'm not sure what happened there. We will find out in the next video. Now, this video is an introduction to the vehicle, so you can see what the basic condition of the vehicle is and whether I got a good deal or not. Now, what do you guys think? Do you think I got a fairly good deal on the vehicle? And now for 3,100 New Zealand dollars, or 3,081 bucks, and I found a $2 coin, so it's 3,079 bucks. Do you think it's a good deal? Now, the mileage on this vehicle is a little over 82,000 kilometers, which is about 51,000 miles. Okay, so that's the condition, and it's got some Bridgestone Potenza tires here as well. Now these are 225 55/16. I'd say the front is about around 3 millimeters, and the back is approximately around about 3.5 millimeters. Yeah, we got about 3.5 millimeters in the back as well. And this one is about 3.5 millimeters. And this particular one is the Avant-Garde model, which is the highest trim on the series of the W211. So now the W211, they come in the Classic, the Elegance, and the Avant-Garde. Now the Avant-Garde is a trim level, so this is the highest spec that you can get. The only thing that it's missing is the sunroof. Now this is called Alabaster White, and no, I did not swear, that is actually called Alabaster White. So going around the vehicle, now do you guys think I made a good decision buying this for such a cheap price? Now I know that is quite a lot to ask given that you haven't seen the vehicle drive yet, but now the scrap value of this vehicle is approximately about 2,800 to 3,200 bucks. So I pretty much paid scrap value for a vehicle that works, although it does have some issues. As you can see, it looks pretty nice on the back. No major dents or scratches. We've just got a little tiny mark here, but other than that, it's an extremely tidy vehicle. Now the overall paint at the moment, I would probably gauge it around a 7. Now with a good polish, it'll come out really nice. Now let's pop open the trunk. Alright, and as you can see in the trunk, you've got your spare wheel in here, and you've got your battery in here as well. Now there's a story to this battery as well, which I'm going to show in the next video. Now it does have the spare wheel well carrier cover as well as the boot lining. However, it was absolutely filthy, so I've taken that one out to give it a good clean. Alright guys, so let me know what you think of my purchase. Was this a good deal or not? And make sure to consider subscribing if you haven't already. It's completely free to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And I'm going to do a full in-depth video on the condition of the vehicle and what's wrong with it, was it a mistake, and all that things, all the good stuff in the next video. And I'll see you around.